Hi, my name is Mihai Kim, founder of CyberFusion Adventure and Training Center. I would like to take you onto an amazing journey to new horizons. But first, let me introduce you our host Sai. Sai will show us the surroundings and will make our trip a lot more fun. So, you do love drones too, don't you? How much would you like to have a drone? Maybe you already have one, but how about an entire fleet of drones? I know complications, costs, licenses, risks, a lot of time required to prepare the flights, and let's not forget about training. Even for the most passionate explorers, filmmakers, or photographers, buying the right drone becomes a real pain. The first step, the choice. Flight tests will be handy, wouldn't they? We deliver a flight test environment, the Construct, a specialized location and platform for remotely flying real drones. So again, it's not a simulator, it's a real-life drone. An impressive fleet of the most high-end drones on the market. Together with our online interface is everything required to make a remote drone flying an unforgettable experience. We run training classes, coaching, run by live pilots, offline classes, and contests with generous prizes. When required mastership is obtained, the system will allow you to exit control space and begin the real explorations. The Construct is located in a fantastic environment. You can film, take incredible photos, or you could simply explore amazing, unique places in the whole world. We've been developing the entire software solution and hardware platform for the last 2.5 years. How does it work? All you have to do is go online, access our web platform, select a drone, set up your flight parameters, choose your desired on-drone equipment and accessories, schedule a convenient time, flight duration, and the drone will be ready for you. Multiple angle external and on-drone HD video streaming will be your eyes in the remote sky. Once your awesome experience is completed, a very high-resolution on-drone recording will be available to download. The Construct has multiple flying spaces, a technical area, a service zone with on-site personnel, and a lot more. This is an unique opportunity. You have the chance to remotely fly a real drone directly from your desktop or your mobile device. It's all about blending real with virtual, spirit and matter. A perfect combination between hard and soft, a kind of modern Tai Chi. There is more. The drone industry will be a $2 billion business by 2020. No matter how automated the drones will become, pilots will still be a must. We are in the unique position to turn the entertainment into a new job for you by getting a drone pilot license from us. The entire solution requires a tremendous financial support. The software and hardware are developed, but the fleet and the rest are quite a significant investment. This is why we need you. We would like to do something unique. Help us now so we can help you a bit later. We will allow you to post photos and videos from your journeys, so you will have revenue from that. And we will also hire experienced pilots among you to live coach newcomers. It will end up like a real investment rather than paying for a good or a service. Invest in yourself and invest in us to make this happen. Thank you, Sai. See you later up there. Oh, one more thing. This is only about the first stage, meaning a localized facility. Next phase, we go unlocalized and worldwide.